conversation, need no conversation, nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going table to a nah, nah. Right, and wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking you too long. Right.
Welcome back, Bougie Nation, Bougie people, Bougie Becky. Back again with another video. This video is about relaxed hair. So I'm going to do some styles. So when you're wearing your relaxed hair out, you can easily navigate, right? So the equipment that I'm going to use, as I said, anytime you see me looking down, I'm looking at my trolley that I have with my stuff on it that I'm going to use and looking what I have. So have gel, right? We have hair oil, we have two types of comb, one for combing out and one for parting. Have a brush, my brush, what would I say? My brush has been through a lot. Right? I'm gonna show you the rest of it. Because my brush has been through a lot. I will have some rubber bands and a clip. Right? So yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm going to do a lot of demonstrating and then a voice over. So alright. Okay, so here we're combing out my ends. I'm not doing it how I normally do it. I'm just ensuring that I get it done. So here I'm parting the hair. Right. I am making a section out at the front of the hair. I'm ensuring that it's to the shape that I want. So it's going to be a particular shape. Then I normally oil my edges and the inner part of the part. So then I comb through it again and use the rubber band to get it up and then pin it under. What I normally do on a regular day is to put the gel around the back of my hair and my edges and then brush it through. So we're all neat and dandy, right? So that's what I'm going to do right here. I'm brushing it through. I am releasing the clip that I placed on the top, and then yeah, that's for hairstyle number 1. Alright, so this is hairstyle number 1. I didn't even have to put any flat iron or anything. If you want a quick, you know, cutesy hairstyle, there we go. Moving on to hairstyle number 2. Alright, so every time I hear me draw up, that's my sinus. I am working on it, so I do apologize for the excess of noise. So I was looking for my comb and I found it. So for the next hairstyle, it's going to be a little bit different from this one, but kind of close. But you'll get to see what I mean in a quick second, right? So I am checking. At first I'm going to try to attempt to part it on camera, but I realized that I needed to look past the camera to the mirror that was in front of me. So right there I didn't get it right, and I didn't get it right again, so I have to continue to, and then when I looked past it and looked into the mirror, then I got it right. But I realized that the one section hasn't had enough hair as the other section, so I'm going to pull out the back part of my hair and then line them up to to section them over with each other. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm a person that doesn't get parting right the first time, but I try and try again until I get it as perfect as possible. So I'm that type of girl that likes to have her hair as neat as possible. I've always done that in high school and I carried it over into adulthood. So I take my time and ensure that my parts are straight and so on and so forth. So that's what I'm doing. I am taking my time to part my hair. Okay, so once the section is out of the way, then I catch up the back of the hair with my scrunchie, right? So that's what I'm doing there to get it out of the way. Then I'm going to comb up the back and comb out the ends and wrap that into a nice little upward bun, right? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do right here. There we go. Okay, and then the part in the middle. Yes. Alright, so I got it right the first time for here because I looked past the camera onto the mirror. Here I'm adding some gel to the back of my hair because I realized that it was not in. I'm making a part using the curling wand and curling one side. That one didn't come out how I wanted to, but I'm going to go back into it after I'm finished. But I'm going to finish the other side before I do so. Yeah, alright, so get back to it because I want it to be more neat. Alright, one side to go, next side to go. Alright, curling. Here we have the second hairstyle. Nice, cute, and girly. Alright, so for the third hairstyle, all I have to do is, this is the part, just carry it over. And fix the back. This. So this is the third hairstyle. That's it, girls. I have 3 hairstyles to show you. So 3 is it.
till the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.